Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to clear negative energy, right, from your environment. Many have been asking me what is the best way to clear negativity in my environment, or stating that look, he is negative, she is negative, there's a lot of negative energy in my place or at my work, etc. Okay. So, environment influences behavior. This is science. Psychologically, I can uh, say this with a lot of conviction because environment is having a great influence in your behavior. There is no second this thing at all. So, what can be done to resolve this? Is it because of poor vastu, or how can you clear your environment? See, there are many who say, I've done a lot of pujas, but I have not got any relief. So, what is the best way, I can get rid of it or get over it? Every day, many people write to me highlighting their problems and want a very simplified solution for their situations. Because, see, in today's corona situation, not everyone is comfortable spending money as they used to do earlier, because almost everyone has got their salary cuts, this, that, etc. So, I can understand their situation and their plight. In our YouTube channel, anargya.com, I would appreciate if you could kindly subscribe and like and share to your family, friends, and relatives. Right? I have already shared a few mantras to clear your environment. One mantra exactly to clear your environment. Okay, I will play this during the course of the video so that you can also listen to it. See, there is a particular type of or variety of sambrani called Mahishashi. Okay, so it looks something like this. It looks something like this, right? So all you have to do is buy this. We sell this in anargya.com. So either you can place the order with us, or you can buy it any other place where you're pretty comfortable with. Okay. So what it does is it clears all the negative energy from your environment. That is the role which Mahishashi does. Okay, so this can also be coupled with your regular Sambrani and Vengulium. What I have done is I have chosen a bottle like this, and if you can see, right, I have made a powder like this. The regular Sambrani plus Vengulium, I have powdered it, I have mixed it. This along with Mahishashi, right, it does wonders for your environment. So you can also buy something like this and keep it in your place so that you are protecting your environment completely, right? See, this is not only in our culture but even in other cultures, other religions. Using of samrani is there. Okay, if you look at it, it is called frankincense in English. Frank incense in English. Okay, and its use in churches is something it dates back to generations before. Okay, so sambrani also is known for purifying the air. Okay, like see for example in today, all of us are affected with corona or the psychological battle called corona, right? Because as I'm saying this, right, there are people in my own apartment where people are affected by COVID or Corona, right? Like that, there are many where their neighbors are affected. So, what is the best way they can do to protect their environment and purify the air? Okay, so Sambrani or frankincense, Vengulium, coupled with Maishashi. It does world of good for your environment because it is known for purifying the air and the environment. And well, if you look at the healing properties of Sambrani, it is phenomenal. Okay, because it is known for healing people with arthritis, asthma. I'm not making any medical analysis, or I'm not doing any medical research on this, or I'm not doing any diagnosis for anybody. I'm just sharing with you the use just for the purpose of knowledge, right? So, for people with asthma, arthritis, certain types of cancer, apart from various other anti-inflammatory properties. Sambrani does world of good for them. See, one of the secrets are how our ancestors lived very healthy is because they were with the nature. Today, thanks to our modern generation, right? People have, I mean, those days people were modern in their thoughts, right? Today, people want to show off that they are very modern. Everyone is right, from their view. I'm no one to make a judgment out of it, but our ancestors used this. Okay, our ancestors used this particular way to make themselves very healthy. Okay, so it is also our in our own interest that we have to be healthy, because in today's world, right, health is wealth was something which our ancestors believed, they lived by it, right? Today it is definitely the need of the heart. If you look at our temples, people use sambrani to show to God at least thrice a day. Okay, in our house, as I'm talking, I have lit a sambrani there, as well as an agarbatti. We are known for doing puja that way, right? So like that, you need to clear your environment, because again I'm saying, your environment influences behavior. So where you are is how your behavior is going to be determined. All right? Okay. So sambrani, how to use it? Right? You have coconut seal or charcoal, burn it in the gas stove, or you can take a bowl. Those days we call it as kumati chatti, right? I mean, there'll be a bowl in which you break the coconut seal, burn it with camphor, and once it has heated up, you just pour the powder over there and add a little bit of mahishashi for it. That's it, over. Your environment is clear. Plus, if you're possible, listen to this mantra. Okay, I'm playing this in the background so that Om Rim Sham Shibram Kritte Nivartasva Karturve Grahanpati Pasum Shaivasanashe Viram Sashe Nivarya Sham Rim Swaha. Om Rim Sham Shibram Kritte Nivartasva Karturve Grahanpati Pasum Shaivasanashe Viram Sashe Nivarya Sham Rim Swaha. Like that, when you're putting the sambrani and mahishashi, you can just chant this mantra or listen to this mantra on the background, right? And put the sambrani. What it does is it clears your environment, and you can inhale pure air according to our shastras. Okay, so in case you need further, where you can get this sambrani, where you can get vengulyam, where you can get mahishashi, visit www.anargya.com. In the products, you can find vengulyam, sambrani and mahishashi, or you can look at a place where you're comfortable. The choice is yours, right? I hope you like the information which I have shared. Kindly do like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends, family, relations, and also to your colleagues. Right? All the best. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.